Alright, update on the rebuild. Starting to look like a tractor now. Of all the spare bits I showed you in my last video, got a Yuba. It's not bent in the way should be. It's straight. It needs to have that little dog leg in it to offset the exhaust pipe, because as you can see, it's not sitting very nice straight up and down, but it's working. So still got a bit of work to do around that. That's alright, it's holding, it's working, it's a lot quieter. Got a new wiring loom, or a second-hand wiring loom with all those parts wired up. Still no joy using the starter motor, so I've got to figure that out, but with another push button bypass on the solenoid, she fired up first go. It's currently running in 4th gear, so that's high range. It's idling very nicely. Bit of smoke, but a lot less than when we started. Still working on the back end. Managed to free up that. Still working on that. But engine wise, pretty happy with that. Not having any leaks out of the radiator yet. My temperature gauge is working. Radiator's working. Temperature gauge hardly moves since I've cleaned it out. Continuing on. Very happy with the progress so far. Till the next one.